coming to Be Happy Crochet. We have beautiful pink tree blossoms. This is the peach. I have crochet pink blossoms. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, cute Easter bouquet. Also, I'm going to show you the finished blanket that I made, inspired from Sidar.com. It's the Hearts and Flowers blanket, and it was designed by Sweet Sharna. I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. Welcome, and let's go take a look inside. We're back with all my crocheted flowers. Let me know in the comments below which flower you would like to see a tutorial on. Puffy tulips, maybe some beautiful sunflowers, lavender, carnations, roses. Let me know, because I'll know what to concentrate on and teach you and give a tutorial. Okay, we're going to put the finishing touches on this really cute Bunny Kisses coffee cup arrangement. It would be cute for a hostess gift if you're going to a party for Easter, or you can wrap them up like I did here. Make a great gift for Easter. Okay, here's our blossoms, cherry blossoms, any type of peach blossom. I'm going to go ahead and add it into this arrangement. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see. Maybe you have a flower you could suggest and I can look it up. Alright, those pink blossoms look really cute. I put a little Easter egg in there as well. That would make a great gift, or just put it on your own display for Easter. There's a cute little pink velour plushie that I made. Also, let me know if you'd like to have a demonstration on anything like that. Plushies, toys, blankets. I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a comment. As promised, here's that beautiful Hearts and Flowers crochet along I did with Sidar.com. Sweet Sharna was the designer. Check them out if you'd like to make this. They're also on YouTube, and Sweet Sharna did all the demonstrations. She can give you pattern and instruction. As you can see, this is a very large piece. Fits beautiful on my twin size bed. Measures 41 across by 71 inches long. Okay, this is the end of this crochet vlog. Thank you for joining me at Be Happy Crochet, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.